giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry. Oh, well, I don't wanna jinx it, baby. Can't twist myself at the spine. Don't wanna overthink it, baby. It's just twist your body and mine. Baby, you give me ice and fire. You're giving me wind and rain. You're some kind of butterfly. Baby, you give me midnight. You whip up my appetite. Don't leave me here high and dry.
Ez gorilla. I'll have the kids.
I will.
How you going with me?
I'll wait. Your bottle. Till next time. Okay. Take care.
So I'll take another cycle because cycle is gone. The second cycle, we need one cycle. So what you do is, when you do it, you hold from the left hand and then put it. Hold and then put it. Hold, put it. Hold, put it. Hold, put it. Hold, put it. So you have to always like when you put the phone, hold from here, then put it. Right? If not, it doesn't come neat.
So did you get it? Fold? So we're just waiting for our flight to go, guys. So at the moment we're just sitting here like everyone else waiting for their scheduled flight. So warm in here. So warm in here. New Zealand, you're getting a bit too hot, okay? Stop it. Stop it. Ooh. The time is now, if you know time, darling.
20 to 7.
20 to 1?
20 to 7.
20 to 7. We got 2 hours to go. 2 hours to go, guys. You know, like my dad said, you always got to be there early. Takarawa, you got something to say to New Zealand?
Apart from the last 3-4 days, everything was good. The weather was good. Enjoy going out fishing. Thank you to the Hauraki Golf Mussel Farm. And, yeah, we got us a feed. And then, but the last few days have been raining, except for yesterday. Yesterday was fine up till about 8 o'clock last night. But my brother went out yesterday afternoon and he got a 20 kilo snapper. Is it 20?
I don't think it was rest, it was...
It doesn't matter, it was them
Okay.
on the same boat. Yeah, they got a $20 kilo, 20 kilo snapper. And there was a 15 kilos. And some...
Turn up your volume, we can't hear you. here again to see my mother. Got her some flowers. I thought blue will be nice today. So I'm just waiting for my COVID test to be passed and then I'll buzz myself in to see her. Well, there's the result, guys. I am germ-free. Germ-free. Hello. Hả?
Tuli mai o te whingia lewe mai o te ingi me puea.
Yeah, i le pōle ngā. Nga le, e o kei binga kaunga o e mo moi. Ia le mera ngā le whai me e le kenge la le e ke alo e moi.
O pa tu tango i lo o e pra ia a fi fufu sa ta fufu.
Au. Awa ke fia fusu kua ngai fifinge le. Paila ko ngā ruenga. Ia kula, awa ke fia fusu kua ngai fifinge le. Kamo whai e sasoangi a oe. I look after oe. A ola le pō. Ia e ngofo le kokongu. Ia o ke whai ei. Awa le ka pēa lau TV. Ale mea ngai ke aru e whafo le au lau aru e so le TV. Pēa ngai ke fia alu e eva i whafo. Ala mo momoe uma ia. Ka ngaka maku kua kaunga momoe. Ai aru o ia i whafo fia fusu i ngai fifi.
Whape pra ia o ta e fufu nga sau le taku. Me mai ale moi.
Uma loa e aru lo e whai sari ngai fia. Awa ke fia fusu ngai fifinge. Okay? E koe wako se sia ulole.
Sa o te le fia. Wa tu me ale moi ka tanga lo. Ai o pra ia o e pivo sa ta.
Ei!
Leite, leite
Sau ale kenge. E sau ale nurse fasi ma oe kangi a wewe.
Tu te la tu sani la wa. Tu aka mai ale moi ka tu ia. O so fai nei e fai el malo. Wa
Se o oe. E vave loka ia se kangaka ia oe e.
So te moi fai mai. Ale moi ka tu ia tango.
Ia o ke whasa uofu i ngai kangaka leo mai whangamuinga.
Lali.
Ngai le malu o shawiri. Nice. Nice for a drink, hey? That's a nice box of mango.
Also, be nice for everyone. Education, my God. Where else is it's the same?
Chalara has decided to take me to breakfast. Right, Chalara? Yeah, so her no song.
Sorry.
Yeah, it should be. Anyway, we're gonna go have a late lunch, and now I'm not driving. See, having a little rest while my crazy
Uber
driver over here.
Crazy
Hmm?
driver.
Crazy driver. Did you guys see that cop? Someone got pulled over. Oh,
I
sad.
can tell you're holding up your phone like I can't get done for you holding up your phone and showing me.
Well,
My seat has a dent in it.
well, sit to the left.
No, let's just sit it.
Yeah, okay.
And now let's finish it.
Mm-hmm. Okay. So I've decided to have this egg Benedict kind of thingy with salmon, of course, and I'm having prawn hot pot, and it comes with garlic bread. I really don't sit next to me. Go away. Go away. No. Cheers, guys. Go away. I don't want you sitting next to me.
Leave her alone. Please.
Guys. Adios.
Leave her alone.
Sit over there.
Mom, leave her alone.
Guys, this troublemaker. Go away. I don't want you to sit next to me. Annoying.
Can I sit on that end so the sun can shoot you?
Oh, guys, this girl's
Okay,
gonna get
fine,
knocked out soon. What do you want?
I just want to sit with you. I want
Oh, wow.
Mom, we're making cool memories before you
No.
go. Why don't you make this a house call?
Look at my old age black spots or dark spots, whatever. Whatever you call. What are
Oh, so
they?
you're allowed to vlog and I'm not?
Are you don't get paid for yours?
Me and Faye are out having. I'm just joking. We're at Roche's. I took my mum out to eat. That's that.
Yeah, wait. I give myself a chin lift.
It's so pretty, Mum.
I am. You know it.
I know, take it back. When I come in here, you can't just like take it.
I've got to
Find
accept
me on
it.
it for a bit and then accept it.
I've got to accept it. When God gives us a face, we got to love it and enjoy it and appreciate it.
Words.
Word.
Wise words from your girl Faye.
Yes. Now, get back over there. So here's my prawn, creamy prawn chowder, whatever. Where's the butter? Where's the butter for my sourdough? Oh, and this is Chalora's chicken lasagna and chips. And my one doesn't have butter. Why the butter? But that looks lovely. I love eating at Roche's. Do you love eating at Roche's, Chalora? You always want to come at Roche's.
Yeah, I like Roche's.
Yeah, I love Roche's too. I mean, some people pour a sauce, mushroom sauce, but you can really taste the mushroom. But this one's very mushroomy. Look how big the prawns are. I love big prawns. Where the heck is my prawn? so good.
Yeah, this is good. I'm happy that I got this instead of the actual potato. This is better. It's like great.
Thank you. Oh, thanks a lot. They give me a butter. I know. A butter to sourdough bread. It's a must. It's a must. I'm gonna make a smoothie.